So we have here an example that requires to find the value of x with this right triangle. So in each side of the right triangle, we have the values of their sides. So we have here x to this side, x plus 2 to this side, and then the hypotenuse be x plus 3. Now to find the value of x, we are going to use two kinds of formulas. We have the formula of Pythagorean theorem, which is a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. And the formula of quadratic, the quadratic formula is negative b plus and minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. So in this form, we are now ready to get the value of x. First, we have to use this one to get the equation. So we have a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. Now we are going to assign the values of a, b, and c to this illustration. So a is our x, b is the quantity of x plus 2, and c is the quantity of x plus 3. Now, we are now going to plug in the values of this to this. So, we have a is equal to x squared plus b is the quantity of x plus 2 squared is equal to the quantity of x plus 3 squared. Simplify this, we have x squared plus x squared plus 4x plus 4 is equal to x squared plus 6x plus 9. Now, collect like terms. So we have x squared plus x squared is equal to 2x squared plus 4x plus 4 is equal to x squared plus 6x plus 9. Now, the value, the equation from the right side, we are now going to equate it to the other side. So we will going to have 2x squared plus 4x plus 4 minus x squared minus 6x minus 9. Notice that if we are is equal to 0, notice that if we are going to equate our values to the other side, we change the sign. So from this part, we are going to collect like terms together. So we have 2x squared minus x squared is equal to x squared. Now we have 4x minus 6x is equal to minus 2x. 4 minus 9 is equal to minus 5 is equal to 0. So this now is our partial result. We are going to use this to get the value of x using our quadratic formula, this one. In this equation, the values of a here is equal to 1 with this one, b is equal to negative 2, and c is equal to negative 5. Using the formula, we are now going to plug in the values of this one. Minus b plus and minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Plug it in. B is negative 2, so negative and negative positive. So 2 plus and minus b negative 2 squared minus 4, and then a is 1 times 1, and then negative 5 over 2 times the value of a is 1. So we're going to have, simplifying it further, we have 2 plus and minus the square root of 4 minus plus, because minus plus 20 over 2. So simplify it further. 1 plus and minus, we have square root of 24 over 2. Now, we can simplify this further. So, 2 plus and minus the square root of 4 times 6. Now we can, over 2, sorry. Now we can take this out. We can get the square root of 4. So we're going to have 2 plus and minus 2 square root of 6 over 2. Now these 2 cancels out. 1, 2, 3. So our final answer, our result will be 1 plus and minus square root of 6. Now, so the possible answer, the possible values of x are, x is equal to 1 plus the square root of 6, and then x is equal to 1 minus the square root of 6. Now, we are going to accept this equation only to get the values if we are aiming for the numerical values of x. But because if we are going to use this, our answer will be negative, and we are not we are not accepting a negative sides for a right triangle. So